Hi everyone, welcome back to Sylvester Keel. We've got our good friends again from Metcalfe that has brought us the world's fastest grill. Stay tuned, we're going to cook my most favourite panini. So, the world's fastest panini grill. We've got a full cast aluminium plate for even heat distribution across the whole unit. We've got two dials here. The first one independently controls the top and bottom plate. The second one goes all the way up to 280 degrees. And while we're talking about this, I'm getting a bit peckish. We're going to pop this on there and then we'll carry on. It runs on a 3-pin plug and play, nice and easy. We've also got a convenient timer on the side. It comes in smoothed or ribbed, and that's why we've got these lovely striations on the bread there. So the bit you've all been waiting for, my favourite of all time paninis. So we're going to pop this on the Roband grill and we're going to cook it in the open clam method to get the cook time right down. It's going to take about 30 to 45 seconds. What we've got here is a goat's cheese, pancetta and smoked chipotle sauce with a little bit of time to finish that off. So that's been 30 seconds. So you'll notice that the panini looks just as good coming out as it did going in. This lid has a special anti-crust device that keeps the panini looking great. So take that off and give that a quick cut. Brilliant. So onto the cleaning process. You'll see that from the last cut, we've got some Paris cheese. Just to show you how easy it is to clean because of the special heat-proof sheets that the Roband's got on it there. Just a few sprays of an Envirosan food safe sanitizer and there we go, good as new. If you're interested, give us a call at Sylvester Keel. More than happy to come visit you, demonstrate the unit and go through with you and your menu and see how it can really work for you. Thanks ever so much.